Students, a very good morning. Those who have joined me right now, सारे बच्चों को बताएं कि आपके एनुअल एग्जामिनेशन 1 मार्च से शुरू हो रहे हैं and you might have got your date sheet. Date sheet भी आपने अपने साइट से लिया होगा and you might have seen the WhatsApp groups also. You have got the date sheets. Okay. So lessons हमें revision आज हम revision करेंगे lesson 6, 7, 8. You can see on the board lesson 6, lesson 7, lesson 8. इन तीनों lessons के हम revision आज करेंगे. Boys and girls, आपको अभी एकदम ये जो एक लास्ट वीक है, ये लास्ट वीक एकदम प्रिपरेशन तगड़ा होना पड़ेगा ताकि हमें छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस के भी आंसर फटाफट याद हो. वैसे I know that class 3 students have been revising the question answers, has been learning the question answers very religiously and very honestly. तो ये ऑनेस्टी हमें दिखनी चाहिए आपके आंसर शीट्स में. कल का जो टेस्ट है वो आपका इंग्लिश हिंदी मैथ्स है, बट लास्ट टेस्ट में हमने देखा था, बच्चों को मैंने बताया था लेसन 6, 7 दिया था रिवीजन के लिए, और टेस्ट भी लेसन 6, 7 से ही थे. बच्चों ने अच्छे एग्जाम दिए, मैंने कॉपी करेक्शन भी कर लिया, मैंने शेयर नहीं किया आप लोगों के साथ. आई विल शेयर इट बाय टुडे और टुमारो इवनिंग, आपको मार्क्स मिल जाएंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स बिगिन द क्लास. वी हैव गॉट 2 students in the class. चलो हम लोग क्लास शुरू करते हैं. I'll be sharing my screen, boys and girls. I will be sharing my screen with you people. I hope everybody will cooperate with me. Okay? चलो. बाकी बच्चे annotations कोई नहीं करेगा. अगर annotations हुई तो वो क्लास से removed हो जाएंगे. इसका ध्यान रखेंगे आप. There shall be no annotations. मिनट मैं थोड़ा इसको. You will raise your hand. Those who know these answers. So raising hand is allowed. No chatting, nothing else. Okay. Lesson 6 is feeding habit of animals. 6 is feeding habit of animals. आपके पास book है? You can see. Yes, this is lesson 6. Who is doing this? साधना ने हाथ उठा भी दिया, मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा भी नहीं उसके पहले ही. अंजिका कुमारी, unmute yourself. Anjika, what type of teeth do the squirrels have? Anjika,
Squirrel have chisel-like teeth.
बोलो.
Ma'am, squirrel have chisel-like teeth.
Can you name two more?
Having same type of teeth are rabbit or rat.
Rabbit and rat. Mute yourself. Arpita Raj, unmute yourself. Arpita Raj 3, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Name the kind of teeth that help a cow to chew the grass.
Cow have very strong broad-back teeth that help them to chew the grass.
Good. Mute yourself. Arya Mishra. Arya Mishra, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
See the difference between herbivorous animals and omnivorous animals.
Animals those eat the part of plants are called herbivorous animals, and animals those eat both plants and animals are called omnivorous animals.
Good. Can you give example of it, Arya?
Yes, ma'am. Omnivorous herbivorous cow.
Okay, Garib, अपने आप को म्यूट करो आर्या. गरिमा सिंह केवल.
Yes, ma'am.
Write 2 ways that can help us in taking care of domestic animals.
2 ways that can help us in taking care of domestic animals are the shelter. First, the shelter of all animals should be clean, dried, and aired. Second, sick animals should be separated from healthy ones and get treated.
उदय, आर्या में गरिमा आर्या ने 2 बताया है. Shelter should be clean, airy, and dry. And दूसरा बताया the sick animals should be separated from the healthy ones. तुम्हारे पास कोई और 1-2 है? You need 2 more. ways that can help us in taking care of domestic animals?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Pet animal need to be protected from hot and cold weather.
Or koi or? Very good. Yes, pet animals should be protected from hot and cold weather, and the poultry birds should be fed with green fodder and grains. Okay. Next, Shri Anjan, unmute yourself. How does a lizard take its food? Shri, unmute karo.
Yes, ma'am.
How does a lizard take its food?
Lizard take its food by help of their sticky tongue.
Good, Shri, very good. Chalo, mute yourself. Next, birds and the nest. Birds and the nest. Name the birds that work in pair to make their nest. Sabita Singh. Name 3 birds that work in pairs to make their nest.
3 birds that works in pair to make their nests are sparrow, sunbird, and dove.
Good. Mute yourself. Swasti Sahai. Unmute yourself. Swasti Sahai. Why are the birds called aerial animals?
Yes, ma'am.
Why are the birds called aerial animals?
Since the birds that fly in the air is called aerial animal.
Good, Swasti. Mute yourself. Avnish Anshu. List some materials that are used by various birds to make their nest.
Ma'am, what?
List some materials that are used by various birds to make their nest.
The materials that bird makes their nest are twigs, straws, leaves, cotton, and weaving their feathers
Good, yes.
are
Birds use
used to make.
twigs, cotton, leaves, wire, and even their feathers to make their nest. Right answer. Mute yourself. Bhaskar 3B. Bhaskar. When and where does a barbet make its nest? Unmute karo. When and where does a barbet make its nest? Unmute karo.
मैम क्या बोले?
When and where does a barbet make its nest?
Make it.
Sadhna bolo. Sadhna, give this answer. When and where does a barbet? Bolo.
A barbet make its nest in the hole of tree trunk during summer season.
Good, very good. भास्कर ने अभी तक मुझे कोई जवाब नहीं दिया है. शायद ही कभी ऐसा हो कि मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा और भास्कर ने जवाब दिया है. Okay, next, Rajas Arya. Rajas Arya, unmute yourself. List 3 features.
Yes, madam.
3 features that help a bird to fly.
The 3 features that help a bird to fly are as follows. They have wings made up of light feathers.
Good.
They have pointed boat-shaped body. They have hollow bones which make their body.
Very good. The 3 features that help a bird. The 3 features that help a bird to fly are: they have hollow bones which make their body light. They have wings made of light feathers, and they have a boat-shaped body. Right answer. Mute करेंगे अपने आप को प्रजस आर्य. प्रांजल चंद्र unmute करो. प्रांजल चंद्र unmute करो.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. How does a tailor bird make its nest?
A tailor bird makes its nest by using leaves with the help of its beak, using small twigs as thread to make its nest.
Okay, tailor bird stitches the leaf, makes its nest by stitching the leaves with the help of twig as a thread and beak as its needle. Very good. Aradhya Bhardwaj, what do you mean by migration of birds? Name two migratory birds. Aradhya Bhardwaj,
Yes, ma'am.
bolo.
Some birds that live in very cold region find it difficult. Some birds that live in cold region find but it's difficult find to and this reason in winter so they fly to warm areas during the winter. They know as migration of bird like siberian and painted stork.
Okay, some birds that live in the cooler regions find it very difficult to live in the lower temperature of that region in winter season. So they fly to some warmer region during winters, and this is called migration of birds. And two migratory birds are Siberian crane, painted stork, flamingo, etc. Good. Aradhya Bhardwaj, mute yourself. Aradhya Shravan, unmute karo. Aradhya Shravan, unmute karo. How are nest useful for birds?
Yes, ma'am.
How are nest useful for birds? How are
Bird
nest?
make the nest to lay. Ma'am, bird make the nest to lay then eggs and to each them they keep
Utkarsh Pandey jawab do.
danger.
Utkarsh Pandey jawab do. How are nest useful for birds? Utkarsh.
The nest useful for birds are because birds make their nest to lay eggs and save their young ones and warm in their nest.
Kirti Ranjan, answer this question. Kirti, unmute karo. Kirti Ranjan, unmute yourself. Unmute karo, Kirti.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo. How are nest useful for birds?
Ma'am, birds make their nest and to hatch them. They keep them.
फिर से कीर्ति फिर से बोलो.
Ma'am, birds make their nest and to hatch them. Ma'am,
Just
birds
a
make
minute.
their nest.
कीर्ति रुको. हैच किसको करेगा?
Yes, ma'am.
हैच किसको करेगा?
Birds make their nest to lay their eggs and to hatch them.
Yes.
They keep their young ones protect to warm in the nest.
Mute yourself. Gaurav Singh 3C. Gaurav Singh 3C. Gaurav Singh 3C.
Yes, ma'am.
How are nests useful for birds? जवाब दो. चलो बोल
Bird
जल्दी से.
make the nest their egg, to lay their egg and to hatch them. They keep their young ones safe and warm in their nest.
Okay, birds make their nest to lay their eggs, hatch them, and to protect their young ones from the enemies. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Next. I can find many of you are still without videos. This is a very bad practice. Rupesh Dubey. 3 features of birds that help them to fly. Unmute karo.
3 features of bird that make them to fly: hollow bones, the claws and beaks, and light feathers.
Okay. They have got hollow bones, 3 features that help a bird to fly. They have got hollow bones. They have light wings with the light feathers, and they have what? They have boat-shaped body. Okay. Okay. Next. Why are the milk and milk products, Pratigya Raj, unmute karo. Why are the milk and the milk products regarded as the good food for one and all? Full. Pratigya? Full. Pratigya Raj,
Yes, ma'am.
जवाब दीजिए इसका. चलो आर्यन अभिजीत बोल. आर्यन अभिजीत बोल. Why are the milk and milk products regarded as the best good food for one and all? आर्यन अभिजीत इसका जवाब दो. You are unmuted. Sanskriti, Siddhant Raj, give this answer. Siddhant Raj, give this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo. Why are the milk and milk products regarded as the good food for one and all?
Milk and milk products are regarded for one and all because they are rich in calcium and minerals.
बेटा ये इतना इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, बट इतना कैजुअली तुमने इसका जवाब दिया है और इतना इनकम्प्लीट सा. मिल्क एंड मिल्क प्रोडक्ट आर रिगार्डेड एज गुड फूड फॉर वन एंड ऑल. मैं इसका जवाब किसी और से पहले देखूं, अगर नहीं मिलेगा तो मैं फिर इसका जवाब दूंगी. यशस्वी गौतम, डू यू नो दिस आंसर? बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
Milk is a good source of nutrition. It helps us to grow, protect. It helps us to grow, gives us energy, and protect us from diseases. So, milk and milk products are regarded as good food for one and all.
Yes, milk and milk product contains mostly all the nutrients like carbohydrate, fat, vitamins, minerals, protein. So it is regarded as a good food for one and all. किसी कोई अभी भी unmuted है, mute करो अपने आप. Next, Sonakshi, unmute करो. Why do we need to eat nuts? Sonakshi, why do we need to eat nuts? Unmute करो. Sonakshi, can you hear me? Many of you are still without videos. I'm going to remove you from class. Because I'm watching that many of you are just be in the class. Either you're sleeping or what. So, bol answer do. Who will give this answer? Raise your hand. Agrasan, bolo. Why do we need to eat nuts? Agraj.
Ma'am, we need us to warm himself.
Are ye kya jawab? We need us to warm themselves. Ye kaun sa jawab hai? भास्कर क्या नाम है? आराध्य श्रवण, पहले वीडियो ऑन करो. Okay, Sadhna Kumari, give this answer. Why do we need to eat nuts?
We need to eat nuts to protect ourselves. We need to eat nuts to keep us warm and protect.
Nuts provide a lot of energy. We need nuts. We need to eat nuts because it provides a lot of energy and it keeps our body warm during winter. Okay, Sadhna, sahi hai na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next. Next, 19 students have raised their hand. Okay, next is Rudra Prakash, unmute karo. Rudra Prakash, unmute karo.
Yes, ma'am.
Why are the green vegetables and fruits important for us?
Green vegetable and fruit important from us because they protect us diseases.
Because they protect us from diseases and keep us healthy. Priyanshu Ranjan 3B. Priyanshu Ranjan 3B, unmute karo apne aap ko. What?
Yes,
Priyanshu, yes. What kind of food is preferred by old people?
Easily digestible, simple food like dal roti is preferred by old people.
Okay, easily digestible, simple food is preferred by old age people because like dal, roti, khichdi, etc. Yes. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. Next, Sanskar Gupta. Sanskar Gupta, unmute karo. Name two roots that are eaten as food. Two roots that are eaten as food. Bolo.
Taproot, fiber root.
Two roots. पढ़ाई करना है आपको अभी. टैप रूट एंड फाइब्रस रूट की पढ़ाई हुई है आपकी.
मैम कैरेट एंड रेडिश.
क्या है?
मैम कैरेट एंड रेडिश.
Carrot है, radish है, turnip है, beetroot है. These are the roots which are eaten as food. पवन कुमार के नाम से कौन बताया? मैंने क्लास में बताया था कि अपनी मम्मी के नाम से या पापा के नाम से बताओ. पवन कुमार के नाम से कौन है? अनम्यूट करो अपने आप वाले. अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ. कौन अनम्यूटेड है? पवन कुमार के नाम से कौन है? अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को. देखो who is it with Pavan Kumar's name? I am unmuting and she is not unmuting herself. आराध्य श्रवण अपने आप को म्यूट करो, तुम्हारी तो आवाज आ रही है. आर्या मिश्रा बोलो. What do you want to say? आर्या क्या बोलो? बोलो.
मैम व्हाट?
Why are you raising hand? I just want to ask that only.
मैम आंसर देने के लिए हाथ उठाई थी.
Okay, चलो. अंजिका unmute करो.
यस मैम.
How is wheat flour obtained? How do we obtain wheat flour?
मैम wheat flour obtained by grinding its
Grinding.
seed.
Grinding.
Grinding its seeds.
Grinding the seeds of what?
Wheat flour. Of
Grinding.
wheat flour.
Okay, yes. Wheat flour is obtained by grinding the seeds of wheat. यानी जो grains हैं, गेहूं के दाने को grind करके wheat flour मिलता है. Okay, next. आराध्य कुमारी fourth. Aradhya 3E. What are the two main sources of food? Two main sources of food, Aradhya, bolo.
Ma'am, what?
Two main sources of food.
Ma'am, and food, plant and animal.
ऐसे जवाब देंगे. Question पूछा जाएगा तो. Will you give the answer like this?
The two main sources of food are plant and animals.
Ashni, Kumari Ashni, unmute yourself. Kumari Ashni, unmute yourself. What is the difference between
Ma'am.
What is the difference between herbivorous and omnivorous animals?
What, ma'am?
What is the difference between herbivorous and omnivorous animals?
Herbivores are the animals that feed only on plants or plant products. Example, cow. Whereas animals that feed on bee plants plants as well as animals are called carnivorous animals.
Carnivorous animals, plants और animals दोनों खाएंगे.
Carnivorous animals, example deer.
Sri Anjay, I want to answer from you. What is the difference between herbivorous animals and omnivorous animals?
Difference between herbivorous animal and omnivorous are herbivorous eat only plant and plant product, and omnivorous eat both plant and animal are called.
Do you have any examples for it?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Omnivorous deer and herbivorous cow.
Okay, next. Sri mute करेंगे अपने आप को.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next. के उदय. के उदय. मुश्किल ये है ना कि जिन बच्चों ने मुझे अपना वीडियो ऑन नहीं रखा मैं उनसे नहीं पूछ रही हूँ. Because time and again you are not asked to unmute yourself or videos को on करो. चलो बोलो. के उदय.
Yes, ma'am.
How does a lizard take his food?
A lizard take its food is sticky tongue.
Okay, next. म्यूट करो अपने आप को. संस्कृति याद हो. How does mosquitoes and butterflies have their food?
Mosquito and butterfly have hollow tube-like structure to help them to suck their food.
Okay, mosquitoes and butterflies have a hollow tube-like structure which help them to suck their food. Very good. Boys and girls, we are running short of time. We have got only 3 minutes left with us. आपको बता दें, सारे बच्चे ध्यान देंगे मेरी बात को. आपको मैंने अभी बता दिया है कि रिविजन करेंगे 6, 7, 8. मंडे भी हम 6, 7, 8 करेंगे. Along with that, we'll do the revision of importance of plants. चारों लेसन आपके कंठस्थ हो जाने चाहिए. Just get mugged up, है ना? और एकदम प्रॉपर स्पेलिंग के साथ लर्न करें आप. बिकॉज एनुअल एग्जामिनेशन आपके मार्क्स आपके स्पेलिंग्स के लिए भी कर सकते हैं. तो मंडे जो हमारा क्लास होगा ना, मैं सोच रही हूँ आपसे क्वेश्चन आंसर सुनूं और सडनली किसी का नंबर कोई भी वर्ड को मैं पूछूं और मैं वो वर्ड बोर्ड पे लिखूंगी जो आप बोल रही हूँ. ठीक है ना? तो लर्न द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, लर्न द स्पेलिंग्स, because so that you get exactly what number you deserve. है ना? आप एकदम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स को स्पेलिंग के साथ याद करें ताकि जो नंबर आपको मिले आपको जो डिजर्विंग नंबर. आप नहीं सोचेंगे कि मैम हमने तो पूरा क्वेश्चन आंसर लिखा था, not a single wrong was there, but बच्चे you have not learned the spelling. तो जनरली हमारा क्या नंबर करता है, हमारे नंबर्स कट जाते हैं. We have got it marked up, but we are not very much sure about the spellings. So एक क्वेश्चन को कम से कम 5 से 6 बार लर्न करो और कम से कम 2 से 3 बार लिखो. रीराइट इट, राइट इट, रीराइट इट, कीप ऑन राइटिंग इट सो दैट आपकी स्पीड भी अच्छी हो और साथ में आपकी स्पेलिंग्स भी एरर्स. हाँ जी बोलो. somebody was saying something. कौन बोल रहा था? आश्री कुछ बोल रही. बोलो बेटा क्या बोल रही हूँ.
मैम इस बार एग्जाम